Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we have something truly special for all the off-road and pickup truck enthusiasts, a heavily modified Mazda BT-50 that looks absolutely stunning and is built to tackle any terrain. This is not just your regular BT-50, this is an off-road beast with some serious upgrades, and we're going to break down every detail. Right off the bat, just look at the presence this truck has. The matte gunmetal gray finish gives it a rugged yet premium look, and that blacked-out grille makes it look even more aggressive. But it's not just about looks, this BT-50 is built to perform. Check out that lifted suspension, giving it extra ground clearance for tackling rough terrains with ease. Whether it's rocky trails, muddy paths, or sand dunes, this truck is ready for anything. Moving to the wheels, we've got a set of massive off-road tires wrapped around black alloy rims that not only enhance performance but also add to the truck's menacing stance. And those wide Fender Flares? They're not just for style, they help protect the body from debris when you're tearing through dirt roads. Now, one of the biggest highlights of this build is the LED lighting setup. You've got a huge light bar mounted on the roof, an extra light strip on the grille, and additional lighting on the front bumper. Whether you're driving at night or heading out for an overlanding adventure, visibility is never going to be an issue. Taking a look at the side profile, the truck maintains its four-door double cab design, offering plenty of space inside while maintaining that bold, rugged look. The side steps make it easier to get in and out, especially with the raised height. And let's not forget those blacked-out side mirrors and door handles, which complete the stealthy, aggressive aesthetic. Now, stepping inside, while we don't get a full interior view, you can bet this BT-50 has some serious upgrades. Most high-end builds like this come with premium leather upholstery, an upgraded infotainment system, and additional off-road controls to make the driving experience even better. So, what do you think of this insane Mazda BT-50 build? Would you drive this beast? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more awesome car content. We've got plenty more builds, reviews, and cinematic showcases coming your way. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.